Hey there, Solar Pros. This is Ben with Easy Mode Media, the solar marketing specialists. Now, this video is going to be very quick about done for you services about web design for solar companies and why it's important. There is another video on our channel where I analyze 7 different solar websites to show you the good and the bad, why they work, why they break down, and it's a really, really good insight into the back end of solar design. But if you're going at solar design yourself, you're going to make a lot of these mistakes. You don't know what works, and really you should be focusing on running your business, not designing your website. You're not a website designer, don't try and be, right? So what we do, we install our tested and tried and tested. We've spent thousands and thousands of dollars making solar designs for websites that really convert and drive leads consistently for solar companies. So if you want to skip the headache of seeing what works, testing, trying, pulling your hair out, wasting time, money, effort, all that kind of stuff, book a call with Easy Mode Media. We'll touch on, the main principles of solid website design and why they matter. So, call to actions, great content, generating trust and authority. That all happens within the first few seconds someone visits your website. And it also affects how Google interprets your website and respects your website. If you get it wrong, or if you're too busy with fancy things, the website content slides in, or a video that's not optimized, you're going to hurt yourself. It might look great, but people don't really care too much if they can't get on the phone with you or contact you easy, right? Site looks great, but if no one's contacting you, if the phone isn't ringing, who cares? All right. So your website is your biggest online asset. You control it. You don't control any of your social profiles, right? You control your website, and that's where your marketing hub really lives. If you've got that wrong, you're going to have a hard time in any type of marketing strategy. So if you're interested in seeing how Easy Mode Media generates consistent leads from your website, it all starts from website design, but book a call. We'll run through the entire process with you and show you how a solid website design can increase your website conversions by 8 to 9 times. So if you're getting one lead out of every 100 visitors, typically our clients' sites convert at an 8 to 9%, quite an average, a low end average. We have clients converting at a 14 to 15% conversion rate, which is very, very nice. But if you're interested in talking about what that would look like for your solar company, book a call and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.